Good morning students. Welcome to your science class. Student, today we will do exercise that is tick the correct answer of lesson 5. So student, first is brick is an example of. You have 4 options: A solid, B liquid, C gas and D ice. Student, brick means, yes, brick means eater. You all must have seen the brick. Student, can brick flow like liquid and gas? Answer is no. Now option D, ice. Option D, ice. Student, you know ice is solid form of water. Ice melt on heating. But on the brick, when we apply force, brick do not change its shape and size, and it is property of solid. So student, option A is the right option. So we will go with option A. Okay. Now option A is correct. Brick is an example of solid. Okay. Now clear? Now student, second, which of the following is an example of gas? Now you have 4 options: A book, B milk and C juice, D oxygen. Now student, book is solid, not gas. Option B, milk is liquid as it can flow easily and can be poured. Okay. Now C, juice. Juice is as same as milk. Okay. Now option number D, oxygen is in the form of gas, cannot be seen with naked eyes. So student, correct answer is option number D. Okay. Now clear? Student, third is, which of the following can flow easily? Now you have 4 options: A water, B eraser, C book and D chair. Now student, you all know water can be poured easily and can flow, but eraser, book and chair cannot, because water is liquid and eraser, book, chair are solid. So student, what is the correct answer? Which of the following can flow easily? Yes, A is the correct answer. Water is correct answer. Now student, fourth is, when you keep water in a freezer, it changes into. Now your option: A steam, B water vapor, C ice and D milk. Student, already I have explained the process in which a liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. तो जब कोई लिक्विड सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट होता है, उसका टेम्परेचर कैसा, कूलिंग पे रहता है, तो प्रोसेस फ्रीजिंग होता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, व्हेन यू कीप वाटर इन अ फ्रीज़र इट चेंज इनटू आइस. बेटा, जब आप वाटर को फ्रीज़र में रखते हो तो उसका टेम्परेचर जब ठंडा होता है तो कुछ समय बाद क्या देखते हो, वाटर किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, ice. Okay. Now fifth is, the process of changing ice into water on heating is called. Now you have 4 options: A freezing, B condensation, C. evaporation, and D. melting. Student, you all know that when any solid forms changes into the liquid form on heating, then that process is termed as melting. तो बेटा सॉलिड जब लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होता है, उसका टेम्परेचर हीट पे रहता है, तो उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? मेल्टिंग. ओके, नाउ द करेक्ट आंसर इज melting. Student, listen properly to these sentence I am retelling you. First is brick is an example of option solid, liquid, gas and ice. Correct answer solid. Brick is an example of solid. Now second is which of the following is an example of gas? Options A. book, B. milk, C. juice and D. oxygen. You know which of the following is an example of gas? Yes, oxygen is example of gas. Okay, now third, which of the following can flow easily? Options A. water, eraser, book and chair. The correct answer is which of the following can flow easily? Yes, water. Now fourth, when you keep water in a freezer, it changes into options steam, water vapor, ice and milk. The correct answer ice. Okay. Now fifth is the process of changing ice into water on heating is called options freezing, condensation, evaporation and melting. Now student, correct answer is melting. Okay, now homework, learn, tick the correct answer of lesson 5. Okay, now have a nice day. Thank you.